everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nick from the 1994 Candle Co. And if you're new here, not to worry, so am I. This is actually my very first YouTube video. I am so excited to be here, to be posting on this channel. I run a small candle business, and so this YouTube is going to be all about how to start and run a small candle business, or just small businesses in general. Honestly, some things will be applied to all businesses, and some things will be specific to candle businesses. But either way, I am super excited to be here. Today's video, as you saw, is going to be one of those that's more geared to really any business. As you saw from the title, I'm going to be unboxing some Replica Surfaces. They are this amazing company who makes these really cool backdrops and stuff for product photography specifically. So this is actually the first time I've bought stuff from them, and I am really excited. As you can see back here, I actually have some other surfaces. These are not from Replica Surfaces though. These are from they're called Duo boards from V Flat World. So I am actually really excited though to get some from Replica Surfaces and to compare and contrast the two, kind of let you guys know, you know, my thoughts on both. They both have pros and cons as far as pricing and just different things that you get and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I do want to apologize though, because this is actually, so like I said, this is my first YouTube video. I am filming this from my phone, and I had bought a bunch of like apps and even a little microphone to kind of make the quality a little better. And on all my testing and everything, like everything worked great. And then of course, as soon as I sat down to actually film this, none of it worked. So this is actually my third day in a row trying to film this video. I'm hoping third time's the charm. Unfortunately, during the second try, I had gotten pretty far into the video and had unboxed not everything, but almost everything before realizing that the footage just didn't work. And so you're not going to see me opening the boxes. I'll show you the boxes. I still have them. And I haven't, this is what they look like. Hopefully you can see them. But I haven't actually unboxed the, there's a mystery gift that I got because I ordered 4 surfaces. So I haven't even looked at that yet. I don't know what it is. I actually don't even know where it is in these boxes because I didn't see it, so hopefully I got one. But yeah, I'm sure it's in there somewhere. But there's one surface that I haven't opened yet. Obviously, I know what they all are. They didn't send me these surfaces. This isn't sponsored by any means or anything like that. This is just, I bought these and wanted to show you guys what they kind of look like in case you decide that you want to buy some. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys the first one. I am really excited about this one because you can really use this. I got some that are really seasonal and some that are you can use all the time. This is one that you can use all the time. It is called Shiplap. I think it's going to go great with my candles and everything, and I'm really excited to use this one just because I really go for like that, like all my jars, if you can see back here, I think it's over there, yeah. Kind of, it's like weird to like think about which way I'm pointing and stuff, but yeah, so all my jars are like black and stuff like that, and so I really wanted something like white that kind of contrasts that and everything really well. So I am super excited about this surface specifically. I think it's gonna be great. But I was looking at these, and these actually, I thought that they were mostly just gonna be like essentially like a photo printed on a board, and they mostly are, but then there's like these little details like here, like these black like between the wood, I don't know what you call it, whatever. I don't know if there is a name. The space between the wood is like, it's like a little bit raised, and it's like glossier almost, and like there's, I don't know how to explain it, but like, and I'm sure you guys can't really see it on there, but it's like a little bit, it just adds a little bit of extra detail, which is really cool because I just kind of expected them to just essentially be a picture on a board or whatever, and so but yeah, it kind of adds extra details, which is really cool. Next up, we have another one. I'm really excited about all of these, so I don't know why I just keep saying I'm excited, because I'm excited for all of them. But this is the Lush View. So if you guys have, I can't remember if this is a limited release or if it wasn't a limited release and then they made it full-time availability. I can't remember. They do limited releases at times, like for seasons or just, random times or whatever. And then some of them are like always available and stuff like that. But this one I was super excited to grab because it's super cool. I think that like you can do so many different things with it, especially like I will say I have seen some photographers. So I've been doing photography for 15 years, so I'm a little picky. But this is one of those boards that you kind of have to shoot it kind of just straight on. If you shoot it from like an angle, it's just gonna kind of be more obvious that it's fake and stuff like that. But if you shoot it from straight on, you really like, I've seen so many pictures and stuff like that of people using it, and like you almost can't tell. Like I don't think you could really tell. If I didn't know if it was fake, I don't know that I would know, that was a lot of knows. But yeah, and on this one, this is another example of like what I was talking about, the different details. Like there's like certain parts of this that are like glossier, like these are called, I call them bokeh or bokeh. I don't know how you say it, but in photography, that's what it's called. I don't actually know how to say it, but like these little blurred out spots or whatever, they're like more like glossy almost. And yeah, there's just different, it's like, yeah, it's very detailed and stuff. So it's a little bit more than just like your normal average, like a picture on a board, which is really cool. So I'm super excited about this one. And the next one I am super excited about. I'm going to be using this one for my summer collection. It is called Ocean View. And I believe this one was just a limited release for summer or something like that. I don't know if they still have it or not, but I was super glad to have gotten it. Here, I'll hold it up so you guys can see hopefully the full picture. But this one I'm super excited about because, like I said, I'm going to use this for my summer collection, which is coming out here in just a couple weeks. I think I'm going to pair it. I haven't decided yet, but I think I'm going to try and pair it with it's called Concrete from Duo Boards or whatever. And so I'm going to try and pair them together. Hopefully they work together. I don't know for sure how they'll photograph together and stuff like that, but hopefully I can pair these together and stuff, because I saw some people using like the Replica Surface Concrete one, and so hopefully I can use them, use the other one or whatever, and stuff like that, so that I can pair these together, because I really love this one, especially for summer. I'm definitely gonna be adding some fruit in there. A lot of my summer scents are more like fruity and things like that. I've got some like coconut ones, pineapple, etc. Stuff like that. And this one, you guys actually do kind of get to see me unwrap it a little bit, because I did not get to this one yesterday when I was filming. So we're gonna get this one out. I haven't actually seen it in person yet. I've only seen pictures of it online. If I can get it out. Oh no. This one I'm also excited for. This is another one that really can be used any time of year. It's not like specific to a season or anything like that. And I believe it is available all the time. It is Subway Tile, which I really love. I think it's gonna go really well, especially with the shiplap one. And also I have marble and concrete from Duo Boards from V-Flat World. So if I can get them to work together and stuff like that, I think that'll look really nice. All right, and now the last thing is the mystery gift, which I haven't unboxed yet, so I don't know what it is. I actually don't know where it is either, so I'm gonna try and find it. That was a struggle. I also forgot to mention what else you get in with the boxes when you get your Replica Surfaces. So they send you this nice little pamphlet. It tells you how to care for your surfaces, stuff like that, like how to clean them, stuff like that. Obviously keep them away from heat, stuff like that. They give you like a little 15% off your next order. There is like links to their Facebook group, so you can like learn how to use them, all that stuff. So this is really cool. And then on top of that, I believe when you buy, I think you just have to buy 2 surfaces, but you get these stands for free. So you basically put your surface in and you can like create like a little seamless like kitchen or whatever, dining room scape or whatever you want to call it. But it just kind of creates like a seamless photo studio thing for your products. I don't know, whatever, you know what I mean? And then finally, we have this styling guide. I had some issues with the tape, as you can see. So these are styling blocks. These are what the mystery gift is. And so it says right out here, that's how I knew I didn't before opening it, right on here. And it also shows you how on the back to use them, which is really cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. But they're just literally like these little blocks. One's a little bit bigger than the other. So it's basically, from my understanding from reading this, it's basically you place them on the surface and then you can put like either other surfaces or, you know, some kind of like piece of paper or something like that, some kind of something else or whatever you want to do on top of these or whatever, and then you can kind of create like a layered look for your photos and stuff like that. So it's a little different than just your normal flat lay or, you know, shooting straight on and stuff like that. So these are kind of cool. It's a nice little gift or whatever to throw in. Well, I think that's gonna be it for today. This is, like I said, my very first video, so I'll learn in the future kind of what you guys wanna see, what you guys wanna know more about. I do have some videos coming up that I'm really excited about. I actually just got in all the new fall and winter candle science fragrances, so I am really excited to do a review of all of those. If you guys have any ideas for future videos that you want to see that maybe you haven't seen other YouTube creators do, there's a lot of candle makers on here, which is so great. So I am going to try to do some videos. Obviously there's going to be some overlap sometimes, but I am going to try to do videos that I don't see a lot of other people doing, or, you know, questions that I've had while starting my business that I haven't seen, you know, a whole lot of content on and stuff like that. So I am going to try my best. Obviously there's going to be some overlap just because that's how this works, you know, audiences overlap, and that's okay. But I am going to try my best to create some videos that like there's not been a lot done already and haven't seen a lot of them created. So if you have any ideas for videos, just drop it in the comments below and I will be glad to hopefully get to some of those. Or if you have any other questions for me, just drop them in the comments below, and yeah. But until next time, you guys can follow me over on Instagram and Facebook at the 1994 Candle Co. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.